Hello guys, many were asking me about the first gear, how first gear it felt. So now our car is in standstill, a vehicle in first gear. You can see when it will shift, like it shifted around 18-19. It's not long, but this car is having heavy torque. 300 Nm of torque is there, so that the surge of torque will make us to feel it is like long, because in first gear all the power will be coming and the vehicle, vehicle will be having full potential, but it will be not going in desired way by which the sound is coming. So maybe we will file in such a way. Rest of that, many of you asking about gear changes. You can see a vehicle speed of the 30, it will change to third gear because there is an incline here, up is there, so it's in second gear itself. If it was flat surface, for the speed of 30 it will change to third gear. Most of the cases it's acceptable, and yeah, this is how car is felt. Guys, you can see the speed and the gear change. You'll get understanding when the car is changing the gear, and you can see the speed of 30 it changes to third gear. Yeah, you'll get an idea about when the car is changing the gear in city traffic. This is Bangalore traffic. So in Bangalore, traffic is a traffic, wherever it be, traffic is a traffic. So you'll get an idea like how the car is changing the gears. In city it gives really good efficiency, like in compared to highway. In city this car is a gem because it gives really good mileage and average in city. So you'll get an idea. At the speed of 30 it's in third gear, so mileage is not worried because it changes gear really well. This automatic, Mahindra's own automatic gearbox, engineered by, I don't know the name. It's not Asian gearbox. Asian is like petrol. This gearbox has been engineered by some company. It's been designed by Mahindra itself. It's good. It's on par with Tata. It's better than Tata because this gearbox is taking 300 Nm of torque. You can see in city traffic and all, at the speed of 30, vehicle will be in third gear, so no issues. RPM will be below 1500 RPM, so no worries. First gear is not tall, but the torque will make us to realize it's tall. Most of the cases it's good itself. Only when you accelerate the car in, like I'm accelerating the car now, you can see it's in third gear itself because I'm accelerating. If you accelerate the car briskly, then it will hold third gear till the speed of 60. At the speed of 60 it will upshift for fourth gear when the vehicle is in brisk. The rest means the speed of 40-45 only it will put for fourth gear. If not, then you can put for fourth gear like this. You can put to manual mode, and you can put, if the vehicle speed is below 40, then it will not take to fourth gear. If it's more than 45, then it will take to fourth gear. So guys, this is how this automatic gearbox reacts. Diesel automatic, it's good itself. For me, it's completely good, guys. Like all that, few big YouTuber, car review YouTuber will talk some nonsense and all, but I don't know why do they talk like that. It's for general, for us, for people, for normal us, this gearbox is good. Thank you. Please subscribe, share, comment, and like my video. If any query is there, please ask me. And guys, AC is on now. You can see dual AC is on. Our vehicle is giving the average of 26. I didn't reset this, but it will be giving good mileage itself because you can see that bar. That bar is more than 16, 17, 18, 20. It's going. Yeah, I can expect a good mileage. So guys, please subscribe. Thank you. Ask for more videos, I will do. This is how this gearbox react in city traffic. It's good.